Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change battery Lexus IS250 full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, applying the parking brake, and opening the hood securely. Locate the battery under the hood or in the trunk area depending on model variation. Gather tools, socket set, terminal puller if needed, battery carrier strap, and memory saver to preserve settings. Always remove the negative terminal first and place cables away from the battery. In this video, I will explain how to change battery Lexus IS250 full guide. First, remove the negative terminal, then the positive, and loosen the hold-down clamp bolts. Take note of any covers or vent hoses and remove them gently. Use a battery carrier strap or two-person lift for safety, since some batteries weigh over 30 pounds. Set the old battery upright on a protected surface, and clean the tray and terminals with a brush and baking soda solution. In this video, I will review how to change battery Lexus IS250 full guide. If you like this guide, please subscribe and hit like to help us keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your garage and workspace clean with voice control and smart mapping, which saves time after messy battery swaps. I find it funny when a robot vacuums up dropped washers. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to change battery Lexus IS250 full guide. Place the new battery in the tray, ensuring it seats firmly and terminals align correctly. Reinstall the hold-down bracket and torque bolts to manufacturer spec to prevent movement. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative, and apply a small amount of dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Start the engine, check lights and accessories, and reset clock and radio presets if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.